So today I will show you how you can use ExpiryEdge for different purposes. So we first log in to the screen and this is how it looks like, and in future what action need to be taken care of. And so basically when we go to the all items, it will show everything, and there are these types. So in your organization there could be different types of contracts, documentation or actions, so you can just set these categories and assign that expiry to that, and it's very easy to search and basically take action on. Another possibility is basically you can say I want to see the item by the state. What is the current state of it? Is it to do, or is something is in progress, or something is on hold? There's no item on hold yet. So yeah, and depends on the priority as well. You can sort down the things like, okay, I want medium priority and in progress, medium priority in to do, so there's nothing, and everything I think is either low priority or high priority. So you can filter out the records like this. You can look at the records what are assigned to me only, and you can see here, or these are the assigned items to me, and again I can just filter out by category, or I can just search anything and it will show me the results. I can also look what other members of my teams have expiry on, and I can see their items. But yeah, so whatever is required. Another possibility is you can go to the different teams and it will show you the items for that team. So it is possible, like you have different teams you are working with and you don't want to show them all the items of other teams, and so you can just create the team and assign the items there, and only members of that team will see those items. A user can be part of multiple teams, and then when, like, I am part of 3 teams now, and when I will go to the all teams, I will see all of these records. You can sort out the records by expiry date, number of, like, start date and type. So basically you can do a lot of things. And one possibility here is, like, you when you go to the details page, you will see everything on detail. So yeah, and you will see name, what folder, what's the priority, what are the notes, who will get notified, and there's no item, and what the activities happen on this item, there's none. So yeah, and you can see the reminders. When you will get the reminders, you will get for on 15th April, 16th April and 17th April, and you can customize it. One thing you can do is edit it, and then you can add the detail. I can assign it to the some folder, so I can look into our folder as well. I can assign some checklist, like whenever somebody will closing the item, they need to check this out. Okay, check with manager, so something like that. And if you mention it, nobody can close without checking this thing. It's like extra check before somebody mark item complete. And then you can see that basically reminders. I am in current time zone right now. I want to say I will use organization reminder time zone basically to use it. I can set anything, any item, any week or any month I want to put. Like, okay, I want to see 10 week before, it will show when I will get the item. I want to see it 1 month before, 12 month, and I will see this thing in, I will get the item notification on Saturday 27, 26, 26, April 15, April 16, 26, April 10, 27. And then I can define the mode. I will get the notification. Also I can assign who will get the notification. So basically there are 2 level of notifications. One is item level, where I'm saying, okay, at this time I will getting these all 3 notification, but then this kick in, like if user have email subscribe, they will get email. If they don't have SMS and WhatsApp enabled, they won't get it, but other users will get it if it is enabled there. If it is disabled there, for sure on this day they will get three notification. On this day they will get only email notification. So we don't want to bother people again and again with notifications, so you can customize it. And then there's a directory. Basically, if you want to attach some sort of contact details, you can do that. Want to share it with public or with password, that is up to you. And that is all. And you can attach a template, like right now I have template with some default values, and if you want to change it, you can change them. And basically, yeah, it will be also visible on the item. This is drop down and all, so it is totally customizable. And then this is also one thing, like there are certain items those repeat on time to time, so you can set, I want to set it for 12 months, and basically, or I would say maximum it will go till September, whatever. So whatever will occur first, it will stop recreating it. What happens, like when you say mark it done, it will create new item for new date with new expiry. And so I just update it, and yeah, work for, I just forget what it was. Yeah, so you can see whatever we attached is there, totally visible. And you can also do one thing I forgot to tell, item a file to it and update it. So just search it here, and you will see file is there. This file can be anything else as well, so you can say this is invoice, just to tell like, okay, this is invoice basically, and it will be also visible to everyone. Basically, whoever have the access to it. So you can see this is the thing, and this is again item, so you can just switch and view the items like this. You can share this link basically, and it will open. As we don't have any password attached to it, user can also see it. So you can share it with external people, you can notify them, you can add your vendors or your clients or within somebody in company in here. So you can add their name, details, email, SMS and WhatsApp is optional, and you can say, okay, I will notify them, they will get all email. And so basically, let me just show you that as well. Yeah, correct. So I will get reminder like this, okay, it's expiring in this mistake, and you can get the details here. So this detail is like there's nothing attached to it, that's why you are seeing no file uploaded. If there was file, you will get the file. So basically it's so simple, and you can customize the template, what you want to send, when you want to send, to whom you want to send. And like you can send your contracts or documents or action item to external person from your organization. They will know, okay, this is pending item on my side and I have to take some action on it. So yeah. So this is what it look like on dashboard. You can see how many people will get notified, and yeah, as I said, you can see it in calendar mode as well, where you will see, okay, this red is like these are expired and nobody have taken action on it, and these are like pending items. Another thing is basically what is there. Yeah, you can create basically any sort of type, and you can just delete, and when you delete it will say whatever you have, just move it to some other type. One other thing that we do is workflows. Okay, yeah, workflows is like the repetitive items that you do time to time, and they have very defined process of doing the action. Like employee onboarding, simplest example, you have to do like basically do first create email, do order the equipment, prepare workspace and all. So these templates you can create, like they have different sections, and each section have different tasks, and you can assign a expiry date or end date to each task, or it's optional. And then you will have different sections, and you can do the steps, you can move the steps or assign it to by default to someone. And so every time you will start this workspace, it will be assigned to that person. You can say, okay, this item should be taken care after the start of the procedure or of this workflow, and should be completed within 20 days of that. So by default you can set this, and it will again reflect in, depends on the start date. If you are starting April 1st, this item will be April 2nd due date, and basically start date will be April 2nd, and due date will be 20. So it can give you some, it can save a lot of time while you are defining the processes. So let's say I will just start it, or start new process. I will say, let's say employee onboarding, and it is starting, let's say today, because I have given the name. So March 22nd, by default it, whom I want to assign it to, manual Jacob, but I assign to him. So I will just go to the active runs. I can see, people can see, okay, what are the items here. And yeah, so HR operation, legal, vendors, you can have again different categories, and I will just click on it. User will come, and your employees will come, and they will say, oh, I have to do this action, I have done it, I will complete it, I have done it, I will complete it, and it will show when it was completed, by whom it was completed. Somebody can put, if there are some doubts, they can put like, hey, completed this, this item, something like that, and they will get notified here. So basically I'm the user who created the comment, so I cannot see, but the user who I have mentioned, he will see notification here, and so they can take action on time as well. And I will just complete, and I will see the progress here. So how much it is progressed, I think it's need just a refresh. Next time you will come, you will see this. So yeah, this is it. And so you can always communicate with team members and take this action on times. These are the main things. One thing is like logs. We can disable it for you if you don't want, but it gives you like when certain action was taken, by whom and when. So it is also give you as an admin or as a team lead, like, okay, what happened in my organization or on these expiries, so you don't have to go one by one everywhere. So yeah, this is also good. Yeah, you can create knowledge base. Knowledge base is like the document, conference document that you can create here. You can get the link, and basically you can share it within your organization, attached to any expiry or any workflow item, and basically it will be visible to anyone. You can define your processes, or you can define any action, knowledge base, any sort of information, and so it will be reused again and again. So yeah, this is it. You can see basically upcoming reminders, reminders, who will get it, when they will get it, what's the mode of reminders. so you don't, in case you are expecting something to send to your user, and you can just say, okay, if I'm missing some item to send reminder on, because you can do it from here as well, but in case you want to be sure it will be sent. Yeah, so this is the main things that you can do, but let me know.